Linco primarily performs site work, earthwork, underground utilities. We've been in business now for close to 40 years. As far as I know, we were the first contractor in the city of Houston to run GPS. In 2000, we went with all GPS-controlled equipment. That was the biggest change in the history of the industry. Since that point in time, things have changed. For example, the 71, as big a machine as that is, we're able to grade faster with more accurate readings on our grade. Instead of running in low gear in the early goings, now we're running in second and sometimes third gear. And the accuracy is still there. The smoothness, the hydraulics are quick enough to run the system accurately. In the old days when we used to set blue top hubs in 10 to 15,000 square feet a day, we're now producing 50,000 square feet a day with a GPS machine. So you can see the changes from 2000 to today. Everything's in the side of the machine, and all we do is we take the monitor off every night, plug it back in the morning, and we're ready to go. Typically when we get a new machine in, the first thing that happens is the GPS is all set up by Komatsu and tested in their yard. And then they will bring someone out when the machine is delivered, and we'll go over everything that's new on the machine. They'll train our operators. They'll train my superintendents so that they can continue to train. And then any problems we have whatsoever, they'll come back out, make adjustments. We can call in generally the same day we call. If we call in the morning, that afternoon, someone will be out to make the adjustments. One of the biggest reasons we went with Komatsu was because of their service department. If we have downtime on a machine, if something happens, which it will, on new machines, old machines, it doesn't matter. There's always going to be something that pops up. But if they can't get our machine fixed in a day or so, then they will actually bring us out another machine and let us use that machine until they get our machine up and running. That's the difference between WPI and the other suppliers of equipment here in town, and that's the reason we stay with them. They want to make sure our production stays up, and they service what they sell. You get a top machine and you get top service, that puts you over the top.